I didn't record my free speaking practice for a while, and today I thought that I might have to check up on that. And when I saw the thumbnail of the last video I uploaded, it was the 26th uh, recording, and I counted the days, and it's been 24 days since I stopped. Um, so it's almost a month. I When I started to uploading it, uh, I when I started to upload it, I thought that I could do it for at least 100 days, but I did it less than a month, and uh, and I uh, I didn't do it for about a month. So I feel bad about myself, but still, actually, the reason I didn't do it was that I started to have a phone call English with a Philippine tutor. So, and it was for 50 minutes from Monday to Friday. So I thought it was quite enough to speak speak out. So I thought it wasn't that necessary, but still, I know that this is very good way to improve my English, because in a real conversation with someone, there is a question coming and going, so it is easier to continue the conversation. But in this kind of self-talk practice, I have to come up with the things that I need to say. So, and um, I can have the full time chance to talk by myself without listening time. So, and besides, yesterday my phone call English ended because, well, I just tried it. I gave it a try for a month, and I think not it was not bad, but I because it cost money. It costs money. I'm thinking. Um, I'm still thinking about. I'm still thinking whether I uh, should extend my class or not. So now I'm off of the class, and I'm not sure if I do it again or not. But at the moment, I have no plans yet. So I guess it's time for me to start to record my speaking practice again. So, and I'm gonna count. I'm gonna continue counting from the day's 26th, and, well, I felt like I was doing my best, but actually, I'm not really sure. So I guess it's now um, I have to check what I've been doing, and I need to make some adjustment of my method, how I study English. And uh, I was yeah yesterday I finished the book reading Wonder, and it took quite a long time because it's a thick, and besides, actually, it was the second time I read it because I didn't have any good books to read, so I decided to reread it. So I found that it I found that not that interest. I found it not that interesting to read a book again, and reading the same thing again could be helpful for study wise, but it's definitely not interesting, much less interesting. So uh, I happened to find an interesting book. It's for children. It's a children novel. The title is "There's a Boy in the Girls' Bathroom," and uh, and the reason I chose the book in the library was because I it said on the cover that it is the author who wrote the book Holes that won Newbery medals, and I love that book, and I even uh, read through the book and watch the movie. So um, and I thought it was brilliant. So yeah, that was the reason I picked up the book, and I started reading it uh, today this morning, and I already read quite a lot of pages, and I'm so happy with it, and and I I I realized that again one more time that picking an interesting material is a really key to make me uh, help me study consistently. Yeah, and I also borrowed some study books, English study books, and those are uh, really not interesting. So it is not easy to keep continue reading it. But still, I there is one book that I really love, and that is Ip Tu Young by in from EBS, and it seems like it is very a very popular show, popular studying material, not a show, I guess, a program, a very popular program, and I didn't even know how it goes, but it seems like apparently the program deals with one script with about 10 sentences, and they publish a book every month, and uh, so that means they have about 30 scripts every month, and the interesting thing is all the script is written by the readers like me, the students. So when we upload Korean script, the publishers and teachers choose a good story, and then the native speakers and teachers translate it in English, and they make a book. So it's very those expressions in the book are very likely to be used in real life because it was originally written in Korean first, and so we can I can learn. I only read just one script of the book, and I got the book yesterday, and I'm really excited about the book, and I have plans to follow the books with some of my study group members. So yeah, uh, as I begin a new project, I also thought that I could start this speaking practice again, and yeah. So maybe that's for today, and I'm I'm gonna I'm gonna try to maintain the discipline, keep the discipline by myself to make this everyday thing. Yeah, I don't want to be lazy, and this year only has about 100 days left. So it's about time to uh, really put in our time and effort, my time and effort. So wish me luck. Bye.